What's going on, everybody? Long time no see. Sorry about that. I had something going on in my life I needed to take care of, man. And if you guys read my post, I had my 18-year-old puppy pass away. She needed a lot of help, and so I just been preoccupied with that, and I'm just now getting back into it. So I'm in the garden here. Want to go ahead and give you an update. Been a little while. There's Mary and Jane. They said hello as usual. So we're going to go ahead and jump on in. Let me open her up here. Like I said, we are back in the garden. All right. So we're doing an update here. We are at day 44. Day 44. Okay. So on the left here, this is the 42 Gorilla Z. And on the right is the face fat from Atlas. Okay, we are at day 44. She's stacking up pretty good, man. She's looking pretty nice. She's looking pretty nice. Got a little bit of fading down there at the bottom lower leaves, but that's just normal process there as she's aging. Just a few weeks away on this one here. And then we have this little one, and again, she's putting in some work. She's looking good. She is a little short one, but nevertheless, she's putting in her work, doing her thing, and she's coming along nicely. This one here, man, you can see I got I got 3 garden pins here, pinning that down from the center. So even though it looks a little bit short, if this wasn't trained over, I'd be up here somewhere, you know. So, but yeah, she's doing really nice, putting on some beautiful growth, beautiful sights. Yeah. So I just wanted to jump in here. For all the new people, this is in the Spider Farmer 2x2. I'm running that Vipar Spectra XS 1500 Pro. And we got 2 lovely, beautiful ladies just soaking up the sunshine down here. So, yeah, that's my quick update here. All my new subs, old subs, I appreciate each and every last one of you. I'm sorry I have not been on here. You will start seeing me a little bit more active. I'll be jumping in and, you know, commenting and visiting everybody's channels like I usually do. But like I said, you know, that was my family member. They've been with me for almost 2 decades, man. That's a lot of lifetime together. So, you know, she was close to my heart. So, R.I.P. Mercy, we love you. Each and every last one of my subs, I appreciate all of you. Thank you for supporting the channel. Thank you for being understanding. And I hope you enjoyed this update. There'll be more to come. More plans going soon. 4x4 is getting started, and we'll jump into that here soon as well. But until then, and until next time, like I always say, we will catch you on the next one. P.S. I forgot to mention, the giveaway still going on. This Thursday, okay? Today's Monday. That should be enough days notice. So this Thursday, I will do the drawing for the winner. Thursday. I'm not sure on the time, but it will be posted, and I will put it in probably a community post or in the description underneath. Tag you if you are the winner. It may be live, it may not. I'm unsure, but Thursday for sure we will get to this, and the giveaway will be finished. So I'm sorry about that delay. Like I said, I just had a lot going on. So again, thanks everyone for your understanding. We appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you Thursday. Have a good one.